Hey, Brian from Garage Hall. Today I got basically it's a hip recovery pack, and a friend of mine had hip surgery, and he was having a hard time with like a bunch of different like easy tasks around the house. So I got him this, and it comes with a help manual, and it goes through like the guide on everything that's in this kit to make everything a lot simpler and easier. But in it, you get a whole bunch of stuff. All right, this is a sock aid, and I'll show you how to work that. But this thing is pretty cool. It basically, you have this end, and you got like kind of like a little foam gripper pad, and you're basically putting your sock over it. And then you have these two ropes that you're hanging on to, and you're basically gonna pull your sock on using it. So let me show you that. So this sock aid is pretty cool, and it's basically as simple as you take this and you put your sock on, and you are basically rolling it all the way up almost to the end. I mean, you can get the whole thing down, and then you are putting it down on the floor, and you're holding on to these two ropes, and then you are literally putting your foot in, and then you're pulling up on this, and then your sock is on. I mean, what a great helping aid that is. Anyway, and then also in this kit, you got a pair of grabbing arms, which I don't know if you have a hip surgery or not, but these are invaluable. So basically just kind of like locks into place, and you have these, it's a cool reaching tool. And then it's foldable, so you can bring it with you anywhere that you go. But I mean, how cool is that? I mean, I'll be using this thing left and right. Okay, and it comes with a carry bag, so you can put all your little gizmos and goodies. So if you're going on vacation, or you got like some business travel and you're having some difficulties moving around, you got that. And then the last thing that you got in this bag was something I thought was like really cool. Was you have your like extension piece here to help you get a lot more stuff done. So basically you are screwing this together. Let's get it started correctly. And then you have a elongated shoehorn. Like, I don't know about you, but I'll use this on a daily basis as well. So you got that. So you have a long shoehorn to help get your shoes on. And then it has this, on the other end, you can put a hook attachment. So this is actually one big piece, and you keep this screwed in here all the time. So you basically you got a helping hook on one side, and then you have a shoehorn, extended shoehorn on the other side. I mean, that's pretty fantastic. And like I said, it's got a lot of thread on here, so you know it's not going to break apart on you. It's just going to take a while to put together to get it going, but there you go. So that's your hook end. And I mean, I've used this with the sock aid. The sock aid is great, but sometimes like you have a little bit of a longer sock, and you just gotta like kind of like pull along to get that all the way in place. So this is gonna help you do that, as well as like your pants. I know my buddy was having a hard time getting his pants on. Like, he'd actually do a thing where he'd actually walk into his pants, and then he was using his hook to basically grab onto the belt hooks and pull his pants up. So it was like a great help and great aid. A great product overall, and the fact that it comes all in one kit and is like travel ready, you can break it down, put it into that travel bag that they send you. And I mean, this is a pretty decent sized bag to fit everything in there. So anyway, great product. I'm glad somebody actually put it all into one kit together. It makes like a one-stop shopping pretty simple. Anyway, Brian from Garage Hall, thanks for watching. Be safe out there, and this kit is going to help you be a lot safer. Okay, thanks for watching.